Hi everyone, here we've got Redmi 9T and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the camera app. Let's tap on it, and since we are on the standard photo mode, we can enter the settings which are in the right upper corner. So let's tap on this 3 bars icon. Here we have to take a look at the second option bar, let's say, and all of those options are connected to the timer. So we've got actually 4 different options from which we can choose, which we can set. First of all, we've got the option which means that the timer is off. You can say it because this option is maybe not highlighted, but you can see this lighter gray color around it, so it means that it has been applied. But we can also set 3, 5 or 10 seconds delay. So for the very first time, let me pick the 10 seconds delay. Let's tap on it, and since you can see that it is highlighted, since you can see this yellow color around it, it means that it has been successfully applied. So you can go to the camera and check. Let's tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will take a photo. Okay, let's check another option. Let me pick 3 seconds, for example. And the same situation, but right now it is counting down from 3. After turning it off by tapping on this clock icon, you can see that your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your Redmi 9T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.